Charles Matthews, umpire Ron Wright, and the referee in charge, the man in the white hat, Jesse Knight. Gately Stadium is a smoke-free facility. No smoking allowed on the premises at any time. We also ask if you'll please refrain from standing or sitting within the blue aisleways or leaning against the guardrails at the front of the grandstand. These rules are in place for your own safety and for the safety of those around you. For your convenience, we do have restrooms and concession stands located on both sides of the stadium. DUNBAR has won the toss and have the first. ROBESON will receive. DUNBAR will kick off and defend the north goal line. At this time, please bring both teams out onto the field.
Where's Carmen?
Yeah.
Larry came inside. They all coming inside, coach. Tell Larry right. Hey, what's the lead? What's the lead? Okay, check. Check black. They lined up wrong. Screen, they're gonna screen the number two. Screen the number two. Robeson special. Ran right past it. Hey, Martinez, where's the quarterback? What do you have in rainbow? Okay, so I mean, you will tell the guy, make sure nobody gets to the flat. All right. They're setting up the wall. Hey, 6-4 blue. Look backfield, watch the dive. Watch the trap. Dive and trap. There's a trap. All right, 6-4 blue. Yeah. Check black. Make it black. Oh, let's see. Hold on. Let's see what you got. Black. Take black. tight end. What good was him to be on him and not to take him? All right, watch the sweep. Watch the sweep. Here it comes right now. There it is. There it is. Hey, Jay Crum got to put through here today. 44. Tell him to watch the lead. Watch the lead. All right, pass. No. Ran right past it. Jesus. I don't have a safety on. I said 11. Why they in 10-1? Jonathan's got to come up on the safe on the tight end on the other side, coach. Jonathan. Watch the lead. There it is, right there. Let's stop. Do you believe anything I tell you? Blue what? How can you call blue in a even offense? Who called a blue? Hey, don't call it. I'm going to call the coach. Middle of the field, it was 2 tight ends and no wide receiver. What are you calling a blue to? All right, man. The corner got the back. The linebackers have the tight end. Double tight end. If it's doubles to that side and black, of course you got to come out to the double. All right, man. Square the 15 yards off the ball. Right now, he's open. Why did he throw it to this guy 22? He's wide open. Man is wide open.
Go, JJ, go, JJ. Go, JJ, go. Touchdown.
I thought down the back here going that way there.
She got the seal, yeah. Got the seal, let's go.
Picking up to the mighty man, number 14, Marcus Jones.
What push out? We're down to 11. He's down. He can't get up. No. That could have been a flag or rough. Let the linebackers know you got the tight end. Tell Larry right now. Don't look in his face if you want to.
Let's go, team! Let's go, team!
2-1. Hey, move it over. Tell Jay to move over there. Watch, don't stand up. Pause. Hey, you know what? 18. Watch the lead. No. Okay, what we got? Watch the lead. Okay, no.
Yeah.
Maybe reverse. Tight end pop pass. Go out.
Yes.
Trap.
First down.
Gonna move Okay, Nico got the tight end. With Larry. Lead!
Oh, God!
Durrell, come on up, go. Durrell can go. Wind it up. Trap. Put Russell down, please. Shot up. Tell Russell to watch the back. Tell Russell to watch that back. There come on the trap. Good, see, they thought they was running that blue shot. They think that guy still be running. Blue. I need a linebacker over there. Larry got to come out here. Come out. Anytime there's one receiver over here wearing blue, Larry's got to come out here on his receiver to back to end up. He got to come and take this receiver. Let's see what the call is.
It's an offensive hold, man.
Well, take it back. That's not under negotiation. Robeson special, let's go! But you know what? If Russell, number one on the reverse. Hey, tell Bouchard get right over the middle. Let's tell him get right over the center. Get in the center. Right over the center. Get over the center. Harvey, that's your man. That's his man. If he's playing enough for him.
I'm looking at the back.
Drive! I don't think he's not the one. Right. Watch the lead. Okay, check. Toss sweep. Sweet, come up, Larry, step to the outside. What is he standing up waiting? Right, that's what I'm talking about. I ain't got time to talk to you right now, son. Why is this defense being out inside and not outside? Lord. I ain't got nobody on the slot. I got the wrong defense here. Pass. But you know what? I don't have nobody on the slot, coach. If you out there, make sure they don't jump outside, coach. Make sure they don't jump outside. On end zone. To their side. Get over there. Watch the ball. There go. Check blue. Dodge. Special, Robeson special. Here come Robeson Special. Drill came inside. Why won't these defensive ends coach stay outside? What's up? He will be short by a few inches. Have a track. In the backfield. Grab, come on. Same thing. Watch the reverse. Tell them to watch the reverse. Watch, sweep. Where's he? Come on, girl. Rail came inside again. Rail came inside again. Tell Jason. Hey. Right there, girl. That's the middle linebacker. Watch the reverse. Watch the reverse. Here come reverse. Right there, girl. Back out of the backfield. Defense guys keep coming inside. Girl must be able to go again. He might be able to go. Oh, you do. All right, that's right. Watch the back out of the backfield, girl. Okay, now he can go. Defensive ends. They keep coming inside, man. That boy's killing him. Man should be able to blitz. He's off the line of script. Oh! Hey. Call girl over the tree. Tell girl, come on. Tell him when it's weak to his side, where he can go. He don't have a back. We just went over that. When that... Sweet! Why is that boy down? I said 21 was Larry inside. Larry's in the wrong defense. They're going to guy up the field. Hey, man. Ain't nobody playing who they supposed to. Somebody's got to play 83. Somebody's got to get on 83. Who's got 83? Tell